Hi, so today on Cooking on the Fly, we're doing breakfast. We're going to make berry chia pudding. Let's do it. So I have organic blueberries, organic strawberries, organic coconut milk, chia seeds, monk fruit sweetener, vanilla. Now I also have these, so I have the option to tang it up a little bit with these. I also have collagen peptides. Now collagen helps build muscle mass and prevent bone loss. It also helps relieve joint pain. This one is bovine, so this one is made from cattle. This one is full of amino acids, so some good antioxidants are in here. This one is made from fish and eggs. And this one has all 5 types of collagen. And these come in different flavors. Pick one you like. They usually have vanilla and chocolate. Sometimes they have a citrus flavor, and they also have unflavored. There are a lot of benefits to using collagen. It improves skin by helping eliminate wrinkles. So a lot of times I'll add collagen to a smoothie or to a coffee. Today I'm going to add it to this breakfast that I'm making. We're going to be making berry chia seed pudding, so let's do it. Got my bowl ready here. I'm going to take my coconut milk. I'm going to put this in the bowl. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now this is a tablespoon, just so you know. Maybe we'll use a little more. Got my chia seeds. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons. Now these will absorb moisture. I'm going to stir this up. Now I'm going to let this set for 5 minutes. I'm going to take my sweetener. And my collagen. I'm going to use 1 scoop. Now the coconut milk already is a healthy fat, but I'm going to add a little squirt of MCT oil just because I can. And this has sat long enough for the chia to absorb some of the moisture, so I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to give this a little taste. In goes the Irish cream. I think it would give it a nice little kick. Now I'm going to take this, and this should be refrigerated for at least 3 hours, possibly overnight. But I'm hungry and I want to eat breakfast, so I'm going to put it in the freezer for about a half hour and see what happens. Now, if you're following me on X or Facebook, you know this is part of the AI experiment. I'm doing an AI experiment. I type everything I have in my refrigerator into ChatGPT and I ask it to show me recipes. Never done this before, that's why it's an experiment. But this recipe is one of the recipes generated by AI. Now this is a great use of AI. You can have AI plan your grocery list. It will maximize the ingredients and the versatility of everything you have in your fridge so you can eliminate waste and eat a healthy diet. So it's time to look in the freezer and see what it looks like. Give it a stir here. It's not real thick, but I'm hungry. Probably should leave it in there another hour, but I'm not going to do that. Got my bowl ready. I'm going to pour some in here. Got my berries. I'm just going to chop these up. Put them in here. This is about the size I want them to be. Put those right in here. Now I did find a banana. If you're trying to lose weight, you don't want to use this. This is 25 carbs right here. This is half of your carb load for the entire day if you're trying to lose weight. I'm going to add this banana because I'm trying to up my potassium level, and that's the only reason. I haven't bought bananas in a long time. But ever since I did the water fast that you might have seen in a previous video, my balance has been off, so I'm trying to correct that. Look at that. Delicious. So you probably noticed that I've only used half of the banana. I'm going to eat the other half tomorrow when I enjoy the rest of my pudding. So I'm just going to pour this in here. And I'm going to let this set in the fridge overnight. And then tomorrow I will add the rest of these right before I'm going to eat it. Just going to pack these up here. Now I cut the tops off of all these berries. The banana will oxidize. If you put this in the refrigerator, it will turn black. So, in order to keep that from happening, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top of it. And we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Now we don't want to waste this lemon, so what I'll do with this is I'll slice it up and put it in a bottle of water. Also, when you put lemon in a bottle of water, it's very good for the liver and kidneys. It's a good flush for your liver and kidneys. So if you're detoxing right now, that would be a really great thing to do. Or maybe I will slice it up and use it as a garnish with some chicken or fish. So many possibilities. You can even put some water and some white vinegar in a bottle and put the lemon peel in there and use it for cleaning.